It's idiotic, crazy, careless humans. It really, really bothers me. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hoosierback Outdoors. We are back to the creek. Yes, we are going to do some creek fishing today. I'm really excited about it, looking forward to it. It's been a while since I've been here. We're going to try the creek. It's really low, so I'm not sure how the bite will be, but we're going to try it anyway. We're going to try to get on some smallmouth. In fact, I might even try topwater for some smallmouth. Never tried topwater in the creek, and we're going to see if we can make that work today. A little bit overcast. It's cooler than it has been, so that's a plus. Anyway, let's get down to the creek and try to catch some fish. Stay tuned. Got a little grown up down here. See that? Something popped at it right there. Not like a bluegill. Had that sucking noise like a bluegill does. Hey, there's something. Oh yeah, get in here. That is a long-eared sunfish. That's crazy. Off a whopper plopper. Let me pick him up here. I'm telling you, sometimes you just gotta ask yourself, what are these fish thinking? Do they really think they're gonna eat that? Oh, a little long-eared sunfish. Wow, on a whopper plopper. I've seen it all. I've seen it all now. Let's see if there's a bass in there somewhere. Good Lord. One more cast over here. There's something. There, we got something. Another long-eared sunfish. Wow. Ow. Quit it. There we go. Another long-eared sunfish. Two different lures. Long-eared sunfish. Crazy enough, I got the first one on a whopper plopper. It was definitely a first for me. A few casts down this way, then we'll probably move. Try this topwater right in here. A lot of underwater structure right here. Maybe I can coax some of them out of here. Well, it looks like I'm going over to get my lure. I'm gonna fish here for a little bit first though, before I totally mess up everything. Well, it's hooked on an old blanket that's been thrown in the creek. And now I can't get it out of there. I'm gonna have to go get my pliers, and of course I left my tackle box over there with my pliers in it. And I know how well these hooks get hooked from personal experience. I don't want that to happen again. Yay! Now let's just go over there and retrieve this lure. I may just walk through there. Why not? I'm already wet. That got a little deeper than I expected. Now I noticed this side over here is a little dingy. How about we try throwing this whopper plopper out there and try not to get it hung up, because I'm not getting it out of there. All right, listen up. If you got some trash, take it to the trash dump. I know for a fact there's a trash dump that's not very far from right where I'm standing, and yet people still come by and throw stuff out and make a mess of the place. I got stuck on a blanket today, and I know sometimes there's floods and there's problems like that causes debris and stuff to be swept downstream. But most of the time, it's idiotic, crazy, careless humans. We can do better. Quit throwing your stuff out. It really, really bothers me. People like us fishermen get out there and lose a $7, $8 lure on your trash, and there's no sense in that. So let's straighten up. Let's do better. We can do it. We can. Take it to the dump. Burn your trash. I know some places it's illegal, but come on. Get rid of it some other way than putting it in our beautiful waterways. We can do this. This has been with Hoosierback Outdoors. Thanks for joining me today. It wasn't very successful, but our hands do smell like fish, so I guess we're successful in a little bit. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Come back and see us next time, but until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.